Hi there, Paulo here. The fastest and most responsive website builder that anybody can use, especially you, is BUILDERALL CHEETAH. And in this video, I'll show you how to add a header and a footer on it. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. This is the BUILDERALL back office. BUILDERALL is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that anybody can use even without learning any programming and technical skills for their digital marketing business. You can make sales funnels on it, do email marketing. If you want to put up an online store, you can do e-commerce, and many more. The platform has approximately 40 tools. Chatbots, you can even make online courses on it, and a lot of lead generating tools. If you want to try this for free, I can give there's an access for the free trial. Link will be on the description of this video. And yes, you can also build WordPress websites on it. If you have a virtual assistant, you can give them access to your preference so they can do some stuff for you. Now, this is BUILDERALL CHEETAH. Let's click on this. Just click on enter. So for BUILDERALL CHEETAH, this will now show us the websites we've built or I've built on Cheetah. So I have two websites here. So let's create a new site. Click on that. So this is demo 3. Click on save. And to click or to edit the specific website that we created, just click on edit site. Demo 3. Click on edit site. And this will now show us the pages if you're on the My Site. This will show us all the pages we have for Demo 3 website. The site settings are here. Just to click on it and show you real quick. And collapse that. So for the site settings, we have the general settings, SEO settings, and yes, websites made or built on BUILDERALL do rank on Google. You just put the keywords here, the meta tags, script settings, scripts here, Facebook pixel script here, and for Google Analytics here. And then just click on save when you're done. No programming and technical skills needed. As long as you can copy, paste, edit, and save, you will be able to use the platform, especially BUILDERALL CHEETAH. Now, let's go back to my site. So this is the home page. Let's click on edit page because what we want to do is add a header and a footer. So this is a blank page. Just a note that you have the option to make a website from scratch or from a blank page, or you can also use panels, which are pre-made templates. So for this one, let's go to the header. Just click on header, and from here, all you have to do is choose a design that you prefer to use. So let's go for this one. Click on that. Panel created. Let's check on it. So it's here. This is the header. From here, if you want to make adjustments, click on it. Up here, you'll see an arrow Want to change it, you can duplicate this panel, you can erase it, you can move it, and even hide it. If you want to make more adjustments, just right click on the panel. You can adjust the size, or just this one. You can adjust the height of the header, minimum size, the background, if you want to change the color, even add an image on it. If you want to add an image, just go to background, just click on search for the image, just go from your just browse through your folders and choose the image that you want, and it will be uploaded here. Border, round border, and advanced. Now let's say you made a header, you personalized it to your own design, meaning that the design you did is not on the panels that that was showing earlier, or that is already saved in the system. You can also save your personalized template or panel or header here. Just add a description or a name to it, and you can use that header anytime on a different website. Okay, so you can personalize it and even save that personalization, so you can use it on other websites that you want to do. Now we have added the header. Let's add a content to this one. Click on add, then panel. What I want to do is add a content to it. So this was the header. I'm gonna add the content just so there's a division to the footer. So this will show as the body of the website. So let's say, for example, this one. Okay, click on that. So now we have a body for the website. So we have the header, which is this one, the body of the website, and now let's go ahead and add the footer. So add, click on panel. Now I want to add a footer. To change a panel, by the way, just to show you, click on this, click on trash. That's fine, and it's deleted. That's how fast and simple it is. So again, to add a panel, click on add panel. From here, let's say I want to add a content. Change it to, say, this one. It's there. Let's add another panel for the footer. So we just have to click on footer. The panels or templates will show, and all you have to do is go with the design you prefer. So let's say, for example, this one. Panel created. Let's go down to the bottom, and it's all here. Make simple adjustments. Everything can be moved. Everything can be edited. Double click on it. Okay. Change some things here. Let's click on save. Alright, now we have the header, the body, and the footer. So again, to make changes on it, just right click on it. You can change everything, the size if you want to change it. Okay, the height if you want to change it, but I'll leave it as it is. Alright, so there. And yes, if you want to change, if you want to make some personalizations on the footer so you can use it on other websites also, you can save it here. Okay, so just right click, make some adjustments to it, size, background. If you want to change the color, the image, you can do so. Now, as I said on the intro, BUILDERALL CHEETAH is the fastest and most responsive website builder that you can use. When you make websites, other platforms This is how it's gonna look like on the desktop view or on the computer view. The thing with other website builders is once you're done making your website on the desktop view, you need to make some adjustments on the mobile or on the phone view. But how about for BUILDERALL CHEETAH? Let's check. So we're on the desktop view right now or on the computer view. Let's go to the phone or mobile view. Just click on the cell phone beside the computer. And we have the menu. This one. So this is the body of the email, of the website rather. And here's the footer. See, we didn't have to make any adjustments on it. It's already there. But if you prefer to make adjustments on it, you can easily do so. You have if you prefer to do it that way, that's fine. To know how to make adjustments on the mobile or on the phone view, be sure to subscribe and click the bell beside the subscribe button. I'm gonna go in depth on that on another video, which is actually really simple and easy. Okay, so we have the desktop view here and the phone view here. Okay. So let's go back to editor. Let's say I want to change the footer. Delete it. If you want to add another page to it or another panel, let's go ahead and do that real quick. Let's say I want to add some features. Say this one. Panel created. And then I want to add the footer. This one. So let's check. So we have the features here. Just make some adjustments real quick. So that's done. And the footer is here. Let's check the preview on how it would look like on a live website. So we have the header, the body of the website, and the footer. Let's check the mobile view or the phone view. See? Header, the body of the page, features, it's all here. And the footer. Fast and simple, can be done in minutes depending on your content, but then again, compared to other website builders, as I said, from the mobile view or from the computer or desktop view to the phone view, you need to make a lot of adjustments. But for BUILDERALL CHEETAH, it's fast, simple, it's adjusted automatically, it's real-time. But if you prefer to make some adjustments to your preference, you can still do so. So that's about it for this video. If you learned anything, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you think this would help other people, please do share it. If you want to learn more, just subscribe and click the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it for you or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. So just like that, the video's over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.